Hello students, I was explaining you the first chapter, that is computer and its components, and from that chapter we discussed about the computer, what is a computer, terms related to a computer, and also benefits of using a computer. And from these benefits I told you about the speed, quality, reliability, storage capability, versatility, etc. Now today we'll discuss about how does a computer work. A computer works very fast and accurately. A computer does four main jobs. It inputs data, processes it, displays the output from the data as information, and finally stores it. These are the four jobs which computer does, means inputting, processing, outputting and storing. Now let's start with input. Any data or instruction entered into a computer is known as input, means whatever data we are entering inside the computer with the help of input devices, that are known as input. An input device helps you to communicate with a computer. You can use input devices to enter information and give commands also. Keyboard, mouse and scanner are the examples of input devices. Means with the help of keyboard, with the help of mouse as well as a scanner, we can give instructions to the computer. We can input our data. Now the second part is process. What is process, or what do you understand by process? Means after getting input, after inputting data, computer will work on that data, computer will process on that data. So that is known as processing. The processor, also called CPU, that is central processing unit, is the main chip in the computer which is used to process data. Means what is the device, or with the help of which device we are process on that data. With the help of CPU we can process on that data, that is a small chip. Processing means treating the data according to the instructions and changing it in the form of information. Means changing the instructions into the form of information is known as process. For example, if you want to add two numbers 4 and 7, then enter these numbers and give instructions to the computer through the input device, means keyboard. The computer will process this process on the data and give the result 11 as information. So you understood about the process. Now what is output? See, after inputting, computer will process on the data, and after processing, with the help of output devices, computer will display the information. A computer is fed with a lot of data to be processed and organized. Means there are a lot of data to be processed and organized also. The data that has been processed into a useful form is called output. It is the result we get throughout computer or the output devices. These devices display information on screen, create printed copies or generate sound. Means these are the form of output. The examples of output devices are monitor, printer and a speaker. Means with the help of monitor we can see, we can watch, we can read the data from the screen. With the help of printer we can get the hard copy, and with the help of a speaker we can get sound as output. Now the last job of computer, that is storing. So what do you understand by storing? The computer stores the data and information on the storage device for future use. As we are using our brain, our mind, to store the data, to store the whatever the memories we want to memorize, we want to keep inside our brain. So brain helps us to keep the data stored for future use. So similarly, with the help of storage device help computer to store the data for future use. The computer uses information stored on the storage device to perform tasks. Popular examples of storage devices are hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM and pen drive. With the help of hard disk we can save our data inside the computer. There's a device named hard disk, and in that device only whatever data we want to use for future use, we can save that data, and it will save until and unless we are not going to remove that data from the hard disk manually. Okay, so these are the four tasks done by computer. Now further we'll discuss about input devices like keyboard, the types of keyboard, mouse, and the types of mouse also. That's all for today. Thank you.